the cavalry arrives.
Leo, my dear.
Jealous, nice to see you again.
It's nice to see you. So, nangangamoy pera tayo. So, ano na?
Well, we have a new project, a new prospect, and your very favorite, fresh meat.
Oh, fresh meat. I love fresh meat. So, asan ang ating project?
Please introduce yourself.
Ikaw? Tenant ko to eh. Wala nga pang bayad ng renta to, pang makeover pa kaya?
Don't worry, we're paying for it.
Alam mo, kahit magkano ibayad mo sa akin, ganitong itsura, hindi ko kaya, my dear.
We'll pay double.
Oh, make it triple. Sure. Okay, done. Turn around for me. Okay. Firm naman. Makinis. Raw diamond. Maganda to.
Well, he is a diamond in the rough.
Yes, sobrang rough. Kailangan i-scrub.